Doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set up membership in Fourthwall. Fourthwall is a platform that allows users to create and sell digital products, membership, merch, and so much more. You can also sell your own products. And with Fourthwall, there is no upfront fee as it is completely free to set up. You don't need a credit card or anything like that. And the way our Fourthwall is able to make money, if you are selling digital products or membership, they charge a small percentage per transaction. So for example, membership. With each membership that you get, they'll be taking 5%. So for example, if you were to charge $10 per membership, they would take 50 cents. So that is quite reasonable compared to other platforms. All you'll need to do is go onto fortwall.com. Then from there, you can tap on Get Started Now. After selecting Get Started Now, you'll be redirected to this page. On this page, you're going to tap on Membership from the left-hand menu option. Then from here, you can see the different options. So you can choose to create posts. You can also choose to create video series. And I'll also be showing you how to set up perks and different tiers. So for example, to create your first post, you will tap on Create Post. Then from here, you can tap on Text and you could type out the post title and you could add in the post description right there. Another thing, if it is a case that you would like to create a poll or if you'd like to add images, you could do that. You could also add video. And by the way, by going over to the right hand menu option right here, you can see you can choose to show your post or video to all members, a selected tier, or everyone. And I'll also be showing you how to set up the tiers. To do that, all you need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, tap on Perks and Tiers. And at the moment, I have 2 tiers created right here. Now to create a tier, all you'll need to do is tap on Add a New Tier. Then you could add in the tier name. So let's say, for example, I will call this tier 3. So I'll do that right here. After you have done that, you could add a description if you want. And you can set the price that you would like to offer this third tier at. Once you're finished, you could add an image if you want. Then you'll tap on Add Tier. Now that I've added 3 tiers, as you can see right here, all I'll need to do now, if I would like to add a perk, I could tap on Add Perk. As you can see right here, and you could type in what type of perk they'll be getting, or you can tap on Custom Perk and you can see discard rules, members only discounts, members only products, private RSS feed. You can see the different perks that they suggest that you offer. And if it is a case that you want to edit the tier later on, you could tap on the settings cog. You can edit the tier. You can also choose to delete the tier. Once you're finished setting up your tiers, all you'll need to do now, you can set up video series. So you'll tap on video series from the left hand menu option and you could tap on Add New Video Series. From here, you could add in your title. You can also add in a description if you want and a cover photo. After doing that, you'll be redirected to a new page. So let me show you real quick. So if we were to tap there, I'm just going to be using a random image for example's sake. Let's say this one. Then after doing that, we'll tap on Save right here. After you have tapped on Save, you can see it right here. So you can see video series. So all we'll need to do now, you can add videos to series by editing them. So we're going to tap on Visit Post tab. Then tap on Create New Post. And you're going to tap on Video. Then from here, you can upload your video or you could choose to embed a YouTube video or a Vimeo video. So if we were to upload a video, you'll tap on Browse. Then from there, you could choose a video and then the video would be uploaded in the video series. And all you'll need to do is tap on Publish Now. After doing that, to continue setting up your membership, you could tap on Settings from the left-hand menu option. If it is a case that you would like to offer annual subscriptions, you can do that. You can also offer a free account sign up link if you want right there. And you can also see the different settings that you can offer or better yet set up. You can tap on messages right there And if you like to enable or disable messages, you can do that. You can set up a welcome post, and you can also do upsells if you want. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And by the way, if you would like to know how to set up the payment so you can receive payment, all you'll need to do is go over to the bottom left hand corner, tap on settings. Then from there, you're going to tap on billing and payouts. And right where you see payout set up in progress on my screen, you will tap right there and you'll be able to connect your Stripe account. And by tapping on add a payment method, you'll be able to add a payment method, for example, that you'll be able to use to cover giveaways and refund. But you can add your Stripe account right here. Thanks for watching.